everybody! Hi there! Again, this is Lolita and today, let's learn Cebuano greetings. So quick review before we get started. Cebuano is one of the major languages widely spoken in the Visayas region and in some areas in the Mindanao region or the Visayan speaking community all over the world. So hi there everyone! Moving on to our new lessons. For our previous video, I've already introduced to you how to pronounce the letters in the Cebuano alphabet. At the same time, I've already discussed to you about how to read and write some Cebuano words, right? So moving on with our lesson. So here's our objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to greet others with simple questions. So let's begin. So the first greeting that you will learn is how to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone you meet or everyone you see. Alright, so let's start with good morning. Say maayong buntag. Good. Again, maayong buntag. Maayo is good in English. Maayong is a contraction of maayo nga. So that becomes maayong. Okay, so one more thing. I am from Bohol in particular, and sometimes the letter Y becomes letter J. For example, maayo. In Bohol, that becomes maadyo. Mostly, if not all. So you say, maadjong buntag. And the response would be, maadjong buntag pod, maayong buntag sab. Maadjo, again, is good. Buntag, morning. Pod, or sab, is two. And the next would be, good afternoon. Say, maayong udto. That is, maayong udto. And the response would be maayong udto pod or maayong udto sab. Either way, you can use pod or sab as a response. Next is going to be hapon. Hapon is starting from 4 o'clock, I guess. 4 o'clock until 6 p.m. Maayjong hapon, that is still afternoon or good afternoon. Alright, so next is going to be good evening. Evening in Bisaya, that is gabi. Look, gabi. Say gabi. Good job. How would you say good evening? Maayjong gabi. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi, maayong gabi. And there's a response will be maayong gabi pod, maayong gabi sab. Alright, so let's set an example. If you were attending a seminar or a meeting and then you need to introduce yourself, you say, maayong buntag, ako si Lolita. In English, good morning, I am Lolita. Another example, so most politicians will use this in their campaigns or when they introduce themselves to everyone. Let's say, for example, good morning everyone. Bisaya, maadjong buntag kanatong tanan. Of course, you need to put some emotions. One more time, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. So that is good morning everyone. But most of the time, in our greetings, we use the English greeting. So, for formal situation, you need to add the title of that particular person after your greetings. For example, good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Or good evening, ma'am. So, that is for formal situation. For common, you just simply say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.